Hey, Facebook gang, it is me coming in for session number 3 today of motivation, and I am thinking about talking about priorities. This is not an original idea from me. I saw this on a Pinterest inspiration page that I have, but the premise is if you've ever found yourself saying, I didn't have the time, replace it with it wasn't a priority. And there are a lot of variations on that, but when you replace it with it wasn't a priority, you start to understand the power and control that you have at any given moment over what happens to you and how you interact with something. So before any of you parents get up in arms about, you don't understand what it's like to have kids, that's true. But it still applies. It's still in the same vein of the children might have been the priority, or maybe your job was the priority. Maybe it wasn't your health. Maybe it wasn't the workout that you didn't get in, or maybe it wasn't the email that you didn't send back. We have a lot of opportunities to make decisions in our life in this choose your own adventure world. At any given moment, you can take a hard left, a hard right, you can turn around, you can keep moving forward, you can just stop. And, that freedom of choice in any given moment presents you with infinite number of possibilities. And each moment you are making a choice, whatever that moment is, whatever you're doing at that time, that is the priority. That is the thing that you have chosen to do. So really think about that in just how much control you have over what's important to you and what you do about it. I think it shifted my perspective quite a lot. And as I work on my weight loss journey or any other journey, practicing guitar and trying to learn something new, obviously work and family and home and pets and all those things, just really think about what is important in that very moment that you're choosing to do, and what are the infinite number of things that you're choosing not to do at that point. So be forgiving of yourself. Remember that just because something wasn't a priority doesn't mean it was wrong. It just means that it's a choice, and you need to be comfortable with that choice. And if you're not, then change it. If you can do something about it, do something about it. If you can't, then understand that that was the priority at the time. And if that priority needs to change, then you have that choice. So I encourage you to keep making good choices, mindful choices. You have them around you all the time, and in the present moment, being mindful, really decide what's important to you and what you want to pursue. I encourage you to pursue it. And until the next time, love one another, be good, teach each other, inspire each other, and we'll talk tomorrow.